let's start with chapter number 11, how to conserve our environment. So, our environment consists of two components. We have living and non-living, that is biotic and abiotic. Human beings depend upon both for the survival, but often an imbalance appears in the environment. Why? Due to misuse and overuse. भाई आप किसी चीज का मिसयूज कर रहे हो, ओवर यूज कर रहे हो, उससे क्या होता है, आपका इन्वायरमेंट में इम्बैलेंस होता है. टू मेंटेन द बैलेंस वी मस्ट कंजर्व आवर एनवायरनमेंट एंड कंट्रीब्यूट टुवर्ड्स reducing what environmental loss for the degradation. It is prevention and replacement of the loss, waste destruction and degradation to the environment, which includes animal, plants, habitats and natural resources. So today we are facing various types of environmental problems. This is mainly because we are consuming natural resources at much faster pace than they can the planets. So while doing this, they are polluting the environment and causes more destruction to nature. So the water level in the oceans are rising rapidly and many islands like Andaman and Nicobar, they are submerged completely. The forest cover is fast depleting, which make landslide very common in times to come. राइट, ओवर पॉपुलेशन. भाई पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रही है डे बाय डे, जिससे क्या है, ज्यादा प्रेशर हो रहा है वाटर पे भी, सॉइल पे भी, कोल पे भी और आपके नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज पे. एंड व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, दे आर डिग्रेडिंग डे बाय डे. सो फॉर दैट वी शुड बिकम अ कॉन्शियस ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लम. और एक्सेसिव कंजप्शन को आपको क्या करना है, काम करना है. राइट, देन वी हैव पॉल्यूशन, वी हैव मेजर लाइक वी हैव लैंड पॉल्यूशन. Now, soil gets polluted by several kinds of waste, which can be broadly divided into two: biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable waste is a waste which can be broken down by bacteria and other microorganisms into the substance that is not harmful. So, we have plants and animals. For example, we have paper, food items, and animal waste. These all are the examples of biodegradable waste. But plastic and glass are also non-biodegradable waste. Plastics should be thrown into drains or on the roofs. Otherwise, drains may be choked, right? Then we have noise pollution, which causes hearing problem to many people. भाई लोग सायरन बजाते हैं, loud music बजा रहे हैं, इससे क्या हो रही है? Many people at the time of old age, what they have a problem of hearing. Factories and vehicles produce smoke which pollutes air, breathe and cause illness. जिससे क्या होता है, lungs problem हो जाती है. And sometimes what happens, emission of acid rains because of the raindrops dissolves in themselves, excessive atmospheric sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. Now, protecting plants and animals. It is essential to protect plants and animals. If trees are cut down without planting new ones, it will lead to deforestation, right? It will lead to variety of problem. जैसे animals homeless हो रहे हैं, frequent earthquake आ रहे हैं, flood आ रही है, global warming हो रही है, and through this wildlife reserve and national parks to be counter this situation. The number of wild animals is decreasing fast because of scarcity of food, hunting or habitat loss, poaching, deforestation, and this is disturbing the ecological balance and natural proportion of various living beings in a particular region. So, what you will do? We should cooperate with the government to make such efforts a great success. Many species of animals become endangered. Many are decreasing in number while some have become almost extinct. So the cheetah became extinct in Bharat in 1950, and however, we need much more to do that these animals protected and safeguarded and preserved. Right? So we should remember the 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle. First is reduce. Means save energy. आपको energy को save करना है by switching off the electric appliances in your home. Right? Like TV, fans, light, AC, whenever they are not in use. सेव वाटर बाय रनिंग टैप. देखा ना, बहुत बार क्या करते हैं, ब्रश करते हैं, पानी चल रहा है, वी लेट देम ऑफ लाइक दिस, बट यू शुड नॉट डू दीज थिंग्स, राइट? इंस्टेड ऑफ इंडिविजुअल मोटर व्हीकल आप बस या फिर कार कूल से जाइए, राइट? बिकॉज दे आर कॉजिंग पॉल्यूशन टू द एयर. मेक योर ओन कंपोस्ट बिन, डिपोज देम एंड सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ गार्बेज एक्यूमुलेशन. सो वी शुड रिड्यूस कंज्यूमरिज्म. आपको कंज्यूमरिज्म को भी क्या करना है, रिड्यूस करना है. Next, donate old clothes and toys to the poor people. Try to find the ways of reusing the things instead of throwing them. So wrap the gift with newspaper, then save the teas like on both sides of the paper. Take cloak sides or bags to the marketplaces. So many used things like paper can recycle. These are put through process to create new material out of old one. Make sure that you separate items while disposing those with recycled one, right? Next is prefer to purchase the products. उन्हीं products को आप purchase करें that is written. A number of things like greeting card, paper, towels, they are used, flowers, etc. They are made by recycling process, right? So you can use this project. So now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.